Hey everyone. Igama uKumkani SA from Montreal, Kwapaca. I'm a musician. Doing lazy trap music and Afropop. So I'm about to perform ingoma Ingabe Ngahlala. Leyo track it's one of those songs engangayibhala about izinto ezenzekileyo ebomini bami. It's one of those lazy trap songs nayo. Calm and collected, cool nje yonke into yakhona soft with the soft melodies. There's no need yoba sirashe kuyo. Ungayimamela even if sad, ungayimamela even if unwabile. It's one of those dope songs. Ngiyatholakala ku-YouTube channel as Ikumkani SA, ku-TikTok Ikumkani SA, Facebook as Ikumkani SA. Sichile sonke kwi-Speaker Nawe channel. Thank you.
Let me take you back in the years. Uyakhumbula ngitshela ukuthi I'm your ready to die. I was drowning in your love. I didn't even realize you're good to budlala ngami. Ukringivare bengikuthanda sis. Till I realize if I keep you I will never have a peace in my life. I gave you a chance to tell them what happened. No, I hate to say this, but the truth is you wasn't ready for me. I gave you everything you ever wanted, but ubungadeli mommy. I wish I can change you, but I can't. Pelu sweet and kind. Sometimes I wish if ubunekanda maybe ngabe ngahlala. Angifuna uqamba manga sakuthanda. Ukringivara hate a drama. If ubuzotshintsha ngabe ngahlala. Kodwa kwashabalala wonke amaphupho benginawo ngakulahla. Kodwa ukuthetha inyani ngisakuthanda. Akube bengikhona ukunyamezela ngabe kade ngahlala. Ngakunika yonke into uyifuna wayilahla phansi. I hate to say this, angisanalo ixesha lakho. Batla unta mahari Kina kojwale Papa mama bahura Uma koti wa molpe Malumen tuse ginyale Malumen tuse ginyale Malume ka o batla Ka go rekela thuya dibiri tsa o bua Ka go tseba malume ha o tshabe O ka vayo le bua ha matsabi Ke batla go ithola ke dula le ntswaki Ke ya morata ngwanole Ke tlo monyala ngwanole Ke ya morata ngwanole Baba ngata ba ipotsa Kubaninga iPota, kile kuwa waikhoda, kile kula lambona. Kina kojwale, Papa mama bahura, Uma koti wa molpe, Malumen tuse I'm trying to live my life without I cannot. Oh. You the only one I want for the rest of my love. I remember when you told me that you love me, yeah, that was cool. And you can't go from and I was sitting on a back in school. You feel no good to me, love me, love me clean again. You feel no good to young kid when I phone again. You understand no good to when I was a single one. Good thing you so good to get in the when I anytime. I want you for life. I want you for life, Terry. Kina ko jwale.